this is the welding machine, and right now we are towing home the machine. If you guys can see it, the truck's doing pretty good. I think I need to put some more gear oil in the transmission. But other than that, the truck's doing good, real good. Pulling it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna switch the camera real quick. The old hole in the floor. There you go. Alright y'all, we'll be right back. What's up my weld family? This is the welding machine back, guys, with another video. Alright guys, so we just drove the beast. Don't mind the uniform that I'm wearing. This is my current job, but that's just temporary until everything. No, I'm joking. That's just temporary until everything. So my suggestions is, once the gear oil warms up the transmission kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to figure it out. My lights don't work. I got brakes but no lights, so I gotta figure out the lights and why the lights don't work. So I got a week with this thing, so I gotta make sure I get all this figured out before I bring it back, because driving a machine 4,000 pounds behind you is very scary. I mean, I was like, oh, I'm good at shifting, you know, this ain't nothing. Whew, boy. I crossed 5 hills and I had people behind me. Thank God I got trailer brakes. Thank God that worked. But the lights didn't work. My truck lights don't work. I mean, I can turn them on, but they don't flash or nothing. So that scared the crap out of me, literally. Okay, but that's my first experience. So this is what we got, guys. This is what we got going on. The 85 Chevy C10. I'm gonna take a picture with the camera. So this is a, Sanford Reynolds trailer. It's 2,000 pounds. The skid steer on the back right here. This is what we're gonna do, and then see, we got the lift gate and everything, boom, right here. Now we also got the gravel that's been dumped over here, and then the building construction is going to begin, guys. It's going to begin. Do you hear me? It's going to begin. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe for new, or if you're new, hit the notification bell. All right, family, have a great weekend, Easter weekend. Definitely, I'm gonna probably do a triple upload tonight. So y'all have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Loaded up. Now, machine's back there. We got the dirt pile all the way there in the back. I think I got my tripod in the building. I'm gonna set it up. Show you guys what I've done. But first, we're gonna feed the dogs. They're probably gonna get awake in a minute. That's what we got so far. Everything I got done so far. guys want to be an entrepreneur, join the Welding Machine Club. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and check out all my content. Because guys, here with the Welding Machine Incorporated, we do it all. From landscaping to welding, anything you want, you can name it. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. Oh my God, I can't leave.